When installing your Fanimation ceiling fan remote, safety always comes first. Before touching any wiring, turn off power at the circuit breaker to prevent electrical shock. Once power is off, install the receiver inside the hanger bracket and connect the wires exactly as shown in your fan's wiring diagram. Match the AC supply, receiver, and fan wires carefully. If the wire colors in your ceiling don't match the manual, stop and consult a qualified electrician. After wiring is complete, restore power at the breaker. If your model uses dip switches, open both the remote and receiver and make sure the switch positions match exactly. Avoid leaving all switches in the factory default up position, as this can cause interference with nearby fans. To pair the remote, restore power and within 60 seconds, press and hold the set or stop button for 5 to 10 seconds. You may see a blinking light or hear a beep, confirming successful pairing. Test fan speeds, light control, and reverse mode to confirm everything works. If the remote stops responding later, start simple. Replace the batteries and verify the fan has power. If needed, power cycle the breaker and repeat the pairing process. Check dip switches again if applicable. For smart models using FanSync, ensure Bluetooth is enabled and try re-adding the device in the app. Interference from other electronics can also affect performance, so relocate nearby wireless devices if necessary. As a final reset, turn the fan off from the remote, hold the fan's off button for 10 seconds, wait 20 seconds, then power it back on.